Think about it. If you had a whole server for yourself, Dedicated Server is the ideal solution for websites that need high performance, security, and control. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a tech nerd, or someone just looking to learn, grasping the concept of dedicated server hosting can change the game for you. Let's understand it. Dedicated server hosting is a simple concept. It means having a server entirely to yourself. Unlike shared hosting, where your website shares a server with potentially hundreds of others, a dedicated server is entirely yours. Think of shared hosting as riding a crowded bus, while having a dedicated server is like having your car kind. You don't have to share resources such as CPU, RAM, or storage with anyone else. This means you get all the power and storage space to yourself. Not only does your site get more power with dedicated hosting, but it also enjoys enhanced security. With full administrative access, you can customize your server environment to your heart's content. You can install the software, applications, and management tools that best meet your site's demands. Dedicated servers are more reliable and perform better, but they require more technical know-how. Managing a server can be complex, but many providers like Ustable.com offer managed services that handle the maintenance for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated on more tech insights. Until next time, happy hosting. Get set, host.